In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Webflow, easy hover animations in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for to set up a clean, reliable hover effect using Webflow's interactions panel. First, open your project in the Webflow designer. You can use any page or component you'd like to enhance. Make sure you're on the canvas view so you can see your elements clearly. If your layout includes cards, buttons, or images, pick the one you want to react when a visitor hovers over it. Next, head to the Interactions panel on the right-hand side of the designer. It's the lightning bolt icon. Clicking it opens the sidebar where all animation and trigger settings live. If your window is narrow, expand the panel so you can see the full set of controls. With the Interactions panel visible, click the element on the canvas that you want to animate so it's highlighted. You should see its name or selector appear at the top of the Interactions panel, confirming the element is selected. If you accidentally select a parent container, just click again directly on the exact element you want to target. Now click the highlighted control inside the Interactions panel to add a trigger to this selected element. This tells Webflow what user action should start the effect. The one we want is a mouse-based trigger. Choose mouse hover. This sets the interaction to respond when the user's pointer enters or leaves the element area. It's perfect for subtle emphasis, like lifting a card or changing a button's appearance. You'll see a prompt to select an action. Click Select an Action to open the available choices for what should happen when that hover trigger fires. This is where you connect the trigger to an animation. Click Start an Animation. This tells Webflow you want to run a timeline-based effect as the hover occurs, giving you smooth control over transforms, opacity, and more. Webflow will prepare the hover in and hover out states so you can handle both directions consistently. Finally, click the highlighted option Webflow presents to proceed. This confirms your choice and gets the animation setup ready for your element. From here, you can preview the hover by moving your mouse over the element on the canvas or using the built-in preview mode. If you don't immediately see the effect you expect, double check that the correct element is selected and that the hover trigger is attached at the element level, not the page level. That's it, an easy, dependable path to hover interactions in Webflow, ready for you to fine-tune and reuse across your site.